are you here?
Because we got a call about allegations of verbal disturbance going on. That's why we're here.
You're what?
We got a call about a verbal disturbance going on.
Okay.
Yeah,
as far as what? So I'm being abused, but yet I'm going to get taken away.
We're not saying you're getting taken away. We're trying to find out what happens.
May I leave the premises?
No.
May I leave the premises?
No.
No, ma'am.
Really?
Yeah. Right now we're in the middle.
Why?
We're in the middle.
Why?
Ma'am?
We're right in the middle of an investigation.
Investigation of
Yes,
what?
ma'am. Okay.
Is this just some kind of freaking show?
No.
No, that's not what we're saying. Okay.
Let me leave the premises?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Oh.
Check this out. How about you come lean on this patrol car real quick, okay?
No.
Because you're falling over, okay? I want you to
I
get out of
am?
the car. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Where's your freaking camera?
Camera's
Yo?
right here, and it's rolling.
Really?
Yes.
Where's your camera? Yo?
Yo, it's right here.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Back up.
Ma'am.
No.
Back up.
I'm freaking
Back
done with
up.
this crap.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
No.
Look,
Don't
you're
mess
falling
with
into traffic,
me.
okay?
Okay.
Don't mess with me.
Okay.
Don't mess with me.
Okay.
Let me go home.
No, ma'am. Okay, we're trying to, ma'am, you've got a severely cut up hand. Okay, you're bleeding there.
Really? Why?
Ma'am.
Why? Why do I have a severely cut hand? Why?
That's what we're trying to find out.
Yeah. Maybe it's because of them.
Okay, let me finish this. Ma'am, you're being detained at this time.
I am.
Stop.
Because of what?
Yeah.
Stay right here. Okay, I'm not playing games with you today. I'm not playing games
I'm not
with you
playing
today.
games with anybody.
Okay, you need to calm down, all right?
No.
We're trying to help you out, but you need
No,
to calm
you're
down.
not helping me out. Give me my store,
You
my
want to give her back-
chain.
You want to give her the backpack off first?
Yeah, go ahead, get my backpack off.
All right. Stop it. You guys
You know
stop.
what?
Stop.
Yeah.
You're spinning right now.
Mr.
Stop.
Yeah. Mister, you gonna read me my rights?
Stop it.
Because guess what?
Stop.
You gonna read me my rights? Are you gonna read me my rights?
Ma'am, calm down.
Are you gonna read me my rights? Are you gonna read me my rights?
Stop it.
Are you gonna read me my rights?
Ma'am,
Are you gonna read me my
we
rights?
can read you your rights if that's what makes you feel
No.
better.
You didn't read my rights!
Okay.
Because guess what? You freaking...
Okay.
Yeah!
You need to stop, okay?
Stop what?
Okay.
Stop what?
Echo 212. Fine, look, put your hands on.
You think you're a freaking show? You think it's a freaking show?
Stop it.
Give me my rights!
All right, ma'am, here. I'll tell you what, I'm going to read you your rights because you wish to have them to you.
Yeah, go ahead!
Okay, you have the right to remain. Anything you say can be used. You have the right to talk to your lawyer. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before you ask any questions. And to have him receive any questions.
Down.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, when we have any questions,
He's trying to read you your rights.
if you decide to ask questions without a lawyer, you still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Ma'am, do you understand your rights as I've read them to you?
You can use any of your rights. Yes or no?
No!
Roger that, then we won't ask any other questions.
Have a seat.
Have a seat? Am
Have
I
a seat.
dog? Am I a dog?
Have a seat, ma'am.
Am I a dog?
What's your head? Wait till he gets in there. You're in there?
Yep. You're coming in. You're coming in.
Pull a bit more.
Okay. Sit up, ma'am.
Nope. I ain't gonna shame till you freaking...
Have me give my case camera over.
Hey, yo! Guess what?
See,
No!
we tried to make
I know who you freaking are!
but you understand.
Yeah, Mark Strawberg!
Mark Strawberg?
Okay.
I freaking know who you are. And guess what? You are fucking fried.
Okay.
Yeah, you're fucking fried!
Different ways.
Yeah! What? So what are you arresting me on? Yo? What?
Tavern reference a customer that's being verbally aggressive when they asked him to leave. Whiskey Mike,
Oh,
Pink
shut
Cup,
up. Verbally aggressive! Oh my god!
Tavern, Window 20.
You're fucking idiots. You are so fucking. You are idiots. You are fucking idiots!
Echo 210, Echo 214, status check. Copy.
TC4? Oh! What do you think you freaking know your shit?
Flight Bravo 215, status check.
No! You answer me, goddammit! You answer me! Answer me! You answer me, you fucking son of a bitch! You answer me! You fucking let me out. You fucking let me out! I got you fucking... You wanna let me out?
Ma'am, stop banging your head. She's banging her head in the car. She's banging her head.
You didn't call out, but you stopped.
Bravo 211, Flagler. I'll be stopping in front of the First Baptist Church. Female banging her head on the cage.
Let me go out!
Ma'am, stop. Ma'am. Ma'am, stop banging your head.
Oh, fuck you!
Stop banging.
No.
Stop banging your head.
No!
Stop.
You let me out! You let me out! Because I'm not a bad person.
You're not a bad person. You're not a bad person.
This man right here? No.
Don't do that.
Stop. Let me out!
You're just gonna get yourself in more trouble.
Really? How? How? Come on, tell me! Tell me! Tell me! I know the fucking laws! I know the fucking laws! What am I being charged with? What am I being charged with? Let me out!
Listen, I am trying to get it where we can take you to the hospital, but you need to calm down.
Really?
Yes. We're gonna go to the hospital right now, but don't start acting up on me again, okay?
Bravo 225, Echo 214, you can cancel.
Hey, Julia. Julia.
Look, I'm right here. I told you I would stay with you. I'm not gonna go back on my word, but I need you to, come out and cooperate.
I want to file a report.
Okay, we can do
No,
that too.
I want to file a report.
That's what
right
Deputy
now.
Tapsy's
no,
doing.
I want to file a report right now
Okay.
about
but we have
this.
to-
Okay, we will.
No, because
Listen,
you, no,
Alright.
I'm
I
not.
will make
How
sure
about this?
that
I'll
they listen
document
to
it for you. I just got here, so.
No, good. Fuck you.
All right.
Yeah,
Can we go sit
yeah,
down?
I'll fuck you.
Okay.
You know what? I don't need a fucking
down.
wheelchair. No, no.
Will you walk in?
Really?
Will you walk in?
Yeah, I'll walk
Okay,
in.
we'll walk, we'll
I'll
walk.
fucking walk because I
We'll
know how
walk.
to fucking walk. God damn it!
Ma'am.
Don't do that. You let me go. What am I being charged with? What am I being charged with? You know what? All my fucking right. You fucking know. I'll fucking